Hello everybody, how are you? Today we will complete Unit 4 for Mega Girl 3 TV Around the World. Form, meaning and function. Today we will use articles and adjective clauses and relative pronouns. Can you name as many articles as you can? Excellent. A, an, or the. We use the indefinite article a or an before singular nouns. We use a before words that begin with a consonant sound, a TV show, a chef, a festival. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound, O, A, E, U, or I. An English class, an aunt, an aunt, an uncle. We use the definite article, the before singular and plural nouns. We can say the student or the students. We can say the mango or the mangoes. We also use the for objects that are one of a kind. The earth, the sun, the moon, the stars, the sky, or the sea. We also use the with the names of ocean, seas, river, mountain ranges, desert, or groups of states. For example, the Red Sea, the Amazon, the Eiffel Tower, the Arabian Desert, the Alps, the United States. Keep in mind that we can't use any article. We use no article before the names of days, month, people, street, cities, countries, continents, mountains, and islands. For example, Fahd is my brother. I say Fahd. We can't say a Fahd or the Fahd because it's a name of people. She went to Europe with her parents. Europe, it's a name of continent. So we don't use a, an, or the. I live on Main Street. I don't say the main street, just say Main Street. Mount Olympus is in Greece. It's a name of a country. He is in Dubai on a vacation. Dubai, it's a name of a city, so we don't use any article. The festival starts in May. It's a name of month, so we say May. Now, please write these notes. What article did we explain for today? Excellent. A, it's indefinite article used before words that begin with a consonant sound, and an is also indefinite article used before words that begin with a vowel sound, and it should be singular also. And we use the for definite words. Okay, it's a definite article. Now, are you ready to answer the next exercise? Excellent. Now, we will answer exercise number A. Read the two extracts from the TV show Festival in and around Saudi Arabia. Complete the paragraph with a, an, the, or no article. TV show host, when did you first hear about the Jazan Mango Festival? Well, I first heard about the Jazan. We use here the, excellent, the Jazan Mango Festival 3 years ago for a business colleague in Dubai. He told me that every year in May, Jazan holds the Mango Festival to coincide with the harvest of the mango. So I decided to come and see for myself. And I wasn't disappointed. The festival is very popular and many people attend, including investors in agriculture products and families. There is lots of entertainment. Pay attention here. We use the before Jizan festival because it's definite. And we use a for singular pronoun which begin with constant sound. Okay. TV show host every year in Saudi Arabia, Janadriya National Heritage and Culture Festival opens with much excitement and high expectation. Many people from all over the country and from abroad attend. The Janadriya Festival takes place in the village near Riyadh, and it's normally held between November and March, when the heat is less extreme. It lasts for 2 weeks. The festival celebrates a symbol of Saudi identity. There are camel and horse races, displays of regional customs, cuisines, and crafts such as carpet weaving and pottery. There are donkey rides for the children. Pay attention here, we don't use any article before Saudi Arabia because it's the name of a country. And also we don't a or an or any article before Riyadh because it's the name of a city. And March or November because they are names of months. Excellent. Now, we will use adjective clauses and relative pronouns. An adjective clause is a dependent clause that describes or gives information about the noun that comes before it. For example, the language that he or she speaks at home is Arabic. Here I use that because it refers to things, the language. So I can use that. Relative pronouns relate to clauses to nouns in adjective clauses. Use the relative pronouns who for people, which and that for things. Note the relative pronoun that can also be used when talking about people in general. However, when a particular person is being referred to, who is preferred. Relative pronouns as subject of adjective clause. Relative pronoun can be the subject of an adjective clause. Relative pronouns that are followed by a verb are subject pronouns. Subject pronouns must always be included. It mustn't omit it. We can't omit it. For example, I'm someone who loves watching quiz shows on TV. Who here is relative pronouns as a subject because it's followed by verb. So we must use relative pronouns who. We can't omit who. Relative pronouns as objects of adjective clauses. Relative pronouns can also be the object of an adjective clauses. Relative pronouns that are followed by a noun or pronoun are object pronouns. Object pronouns can be omitted. For example, English is a language that many people find easy to learn. Here we can use that or we can omit it. We can say the sentence like English is a language many people find easy to learn. Why? Because that here is object. It's followed by a noun, so we can omit it. Pay attention to whom. Who is considered more correct than who when used as the object of an adjective clause. However, whom is very formal. In casual speech, either who is used or the relative pronoun is simply left out. We can say the TV personality whom or who I like best, who hosts Jeopardy every Saturday night. Or we can omit it because it's object. Excellent. Now write these notes, please. Adjective clauses and relative clauses here are excellent. Who for people or which, and that for things or animals. Now, are you ready to answer the following exercise? Okay. Exercise number C. Complete the quiz answer asked in the TV show Define it. TV quiz show host, you have 3 minutes to define all the items in your card. Constance, are you ready? Then let's begin. Number 1, a quiz show host is a person. Excellent. We must use who. Why? Because it refers to people or a person. Who asks question? A quiz show host is a person who or that asks question. Number 2, a crime drama is a show which or that tells a story about crime. Here we use which because it refers to a thing, show. A microphone is something, excellent, which or that amplifies the sound of people's voice. It refers to thing. A drama time series is a program which appears every day on TV during the day. A TV documentary is a program, so we must use which or that because it refers to thing. It's referred to a program. A TV documentary is a person which or that investigates and gives facts about natural world or science. A forensic scientist is a person who gathers evidence from a crime scene. A poem is something which is written in a creative way. Number 8, a remote control is something which or that is used to change the TV station. The Mango Festival in Jizan is an event which or that is popular with many people around. August is the month which that follows July. Is it easy for all? Thank you, my dear students.